going on, my good people, man? This is your main boy. It's Thursday. I just got back off the work. Cabin fever, day 4 officially. Me and my lady is gonna try to hit the trails real quick, getting some fresh air. You know, we're gonna be, all of us are feeling this, man, and we're just gonna hit the trails real quick. It's a little bit cloudy, but we're gonna brave it, so we'll see. This is my first baby.
Hi.
Hi, peace. I got my crew with me.
Nothing you have not done. Can you leave that open?
John's washing his
Car.
got Patitai, little Patitai, and JJ. We're gonna try to find some treasures.
That man. He's an idol.
Manananggal, swang, lamang lupa sa little gunpowder. Yeah, it's muddy today.
The trail or what's this?
I believe we have to go left. So I got my crew, man. It's a little muddy right now, but it's still manageable. And it's been a long time that we've visited here in Little Gunpowder. This place has a lot of memories, man. Yo, my brother-in-law be asking, bro, why there's no bear in here?
And there's a bear, swing it. There's alligator, look, bubbling.
Welcome, Jay, to Jesse's Trail, man. Oh, 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 oh. I remember when I was learning mountain bike, this is one of the highest peak here in Little Gunpowder, and it always brings a lot of memories, man. I think this will be the last hike before the winter ends, and I must say it's not that bad, because at least amidst of the coronavirus, that's what's happening right now. We got time to relax and breathe a little bit. I hope you guys are all well. I think we're gonna head down. See you in a bit. It reminds me of those mountain bike tracks. How many times I fell on this side? A lot of times. So we're gonna wrap it up for today, guys. It's a good day. Sunset, river, Little Gunpowder is always home, and yep, that's a wrap. At least we got around 1.5 to 2 miles. Should be a good one. Connecting with nature.